All right, these are just my crescents that I put in my cupcake tin. Now I'm gonna grab some chive and onion cream cheese. I did let this soften just a little bit. We're gonna grab a scooper and just grab a scoop of that cream cheese and put it right into our crescent, just like this. It's about a tablespoon of cream cheese in each one of our crescents. This is gonna be a super yummy and super easy appetizer. I love this for like game days or, just when family's coming over, I can just throw them in the oven and have such an easy and delicious appetizer. Yummy, this cream cheese smells so good. I don't know if you guys have had this before, but it's not just for bagels, okay? It's for this delicious app. Yummy, okay, almost done here. Just get a nice, scoop in each one. Last one. Beautiful. Make sure they're all kind of centered inside of our crescents because we don't want them to ooze out. I did grease my pan though, so we are good on there. Now I'm gonna grab some cheddar cheese and we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle right on top, just like that. Add some nice cheesy flavors. These are gonna be like little cheese bombs. They're gonna be so good. These are not for people that are lactose intolerant. All right, this is all for the cheese and dairy lovers. It is so good, so, warm, and that cream cheese is just gonna melt and be gooey. I'm just thinking about it right now and I'm drooling. Okay, last one. Beautiful. Almost done here. We have one more ingredient, and this is by far my favorite ingredient. Bacon bits. All right, just do a nice little sprinkle of bacon bits right on there. And you could totally cook up your own bacon and put little cuts of bacon that you made yourself in here. But I love these easy bacon bits. They taste delicious. They're so quick, and you can just throw them in anything, including these easy appetizers. Okay, almost done here. You really only need, these 3 ingredients and your crescent rolls, and then you have the best appetizer you could ask for. All right, last one. Okay, last part of this recipe is we're gonna go ahead and fold our crescents over just like this. Create a little, home for our cream cheese and bacon. Quickly, just fold them over. Our oven is ready, and these are gonna be super quick. Yummy. Okay, almost done. And if you don't want the onion and chive, you could do regular cream cheese. This has so much options. You can do whatever cheeses you want. You can even use biscuit dough, but I love the crescents because you can just fold them right over. Almost done here. Okay. Just grab these corners, fold them in, just like this. Okay, last one. Bye-bye, cream cheese. Beautiful. These are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and they're only gonna cook for 12 minutes. It's super quick. All right, you guys, these look and smell so good. Let's go ahead and pop a few out and get them ready to serve. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so yummy. Quickly just pop them out. Remember, I greased the pan so they pop out super easy. Whew. Time to try one. Oh my, I'm too excited. I think I'm gonna go for this little baby one in the center. Let's go for it. Oh. That is so good, you guys. Yum.